So, Tatang Ilustrisimo, we will show what we call the solo exercise. No? We call it the war walk. Distansya tanga, distansya. Mustra lang muna tanga. So, the Ilustrisimo system starts from Abierta orientation. Abierta. So, from Abierta, he goes to Sirada. And from Sirada to Abierta, vice versa. Okay? So, war walk pa. Sayo lang. You see, the movement of Tatang Ilustrisimo is original. And you see the footwork, the pangamot, the hand technique, the body twist, and the paniil. Now, Tatang will demonstrate the 5 basic defense because the original is always in limang taga or 5 tiros. So, he will be using a Hispanic term because it was already Hispanized. We will now demonstrate the Estrella technique. So, in the attack system, there is no cleansing of the edge. So when you block, it is the flat. The flat. You only use the sharp edge when you strike. Okay. So Estrella, no? You see the defense. That's it. Okay. That is Estrella. Next is what Tatang called.
By the way, I'd just like to mention they're using sharp blades.
They are using sharp blade. Tumbada cruzada. Then they have what you call planzada. Sada. Then Tatang has what we call the media fraile technique. You see, media fraile. See? And then it's defense against thrust. You see? Alright. You see, now Tatang will demonstrate the Sirada estilo. Sirada. So from the Sirada position, you could see his defense. See? So Tatang is fan of doble pasada. See? Doble carrera. Very dangerous technique. So we will change it to simulated weapon for safety.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just as a footnote, I'd like to say they were using live blades for that demonstration.
So Tatang na okay lang. Ayos. So para makita ng So Tatang now his style is what we call fraction or situational combat. So you react according to your enemy's attack. So there is no numeration, but it is attraction. So I attack at the head, he strike. Oh, strike. Quick. You see? You see? So that is Tatang Ilustrisimo style.
Shook, Master Glaga, would you say that each attack, the defense is to strike for the attack?
The orientation is always cut the arm.
I noticed he was hitting you each time before you started.
Yes.
Yes.
Just cut down.
See?
Yes.
So that is very disarming.
Double head.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's double head.
Double hit.
Because they give us angle pack, then close.
Yes.
Atang yun
Whatever angle you have.
Kadina real sa kanya. Kadina real. So this is the what you call the break-in, break-out system of Tatang. That is Kadina real. And the other one is what we call the Di-Kadina. Now Tatang will now demonstrate his what we call Espada y Daga. Depends on the abecedario or the ABC of the Espada y Daga. That's Espada y Daga, Ilustrisimo style.
Could we see some of the empty hand application?
Yes, yes. Now, Tatang will interpret it into empty hand fighting. No? Empty hand. No? Now, Tatang calls this pamayhon. So he interprets now his Espada y Daga, and Tatang is fan of what we call saplit or automatic disarming. That is saplit. That is a saplit system. We will now introduce the empty hand fighting system of Kali Ilustrisimo. For example, Allen delivers a punch, so you could see the application of Amara, it is already advanced Aikijutsu or advanced Aikido. So you see, by application of Amara,
Oh,
you see, and this could be effectively used in police arrest technique.
For the kick?
For the kick, tang,
For the kick,
sisipa
tang,
siya.
yeah.
Tang, gitna, gitna. So he kicks, you see, so he simply stopped the arm. So that is the interpretation of the sword movement. See, the sword movement into in hand.
For a grapple?
Grapple, yeah, you're grappling.
Yeah.
Now, you see, that is for actual street fighting, Alan.
Yes. Well, that's what it's for.
Okay. So that's answer.